Greetings to lovers of miniatures on the Little Simple channel. In this video, I will show you how you can make miniature realistic cosmetics that look so much like real ones. A miniature body lotion can be made from a tube on which you first need to stick a foil and then cut off the extra length. From the end, the tube should also be decorated with foil. I got a lid that needs to be glued to a bead and make an imitation of a wire nose. The next miniature is lipstick. Just see how realistic it is. For crafts, I use a toothpick. I cut off the tip diagonally and then paint with nail polish pink or any color you like. I cut a tube into 2 parts and insert a colored toothpick into one of them. Do not forget to dry it before this. Now you can paint the bottle of lipstick and decorate it with foil. Next up are stunning sparkling shadows in a shiny case. To create them, I use fumarine, on which I glue transparent forms with round holes. And then from the same fumarine, I make the sides and the upper part. So that future shadows can open, I cut the fumarine around the perimeter, but not to the end, so that the top cap is not removed. And in round containers, I pour brilliant gels. These are sold in office supply stores. Now you need to make a sponge out of a toothpick. On both sides, I stick pieces of white felt and decorate with stripes of foil. I put the sponge in the set of shadows. And so that it opens and closes, I attach a mini Velcro. Here's a picture of Cinderella as a decoration. Well then, body lotion from a plastic container from saline. I cut off the top. I pick out a suitable tube for it. Fill the void with glue and stain. I decorate the lid with foil. And also with foil, I decorate the bottles themselves. By analogy, you can make any miniature bottles. Now try to make a miniature mascara with chenille wire. Partially remove the pile. Cut the length. I got a brush. It must be glued into the tube with a smaller diameter, and the second part with the villi, insert it into the tube and the diameter wider. Then you can paint the bottle and brush in black. I got a mini mascara. The next miniature is lip balm. I will make a bottle from a tube, whose bottom I seal with hot glue. And I'm making the lid from another tube a little wider in diameter. I take a little real balm and put it in a container, then I close the lid. But cosmetics need to be stored somewhere. You can't do without a makeup bag. To make it, I use blue fumarine with glitter, which I glue into the cylinder and glue on both sides. Then I glue the clasp and make a cut in the upper part so that the cover of the cosmetic bag can open. Decorate and glue the chain. A Cinderella-style beautician is ready. And next up are the irreplaceable attributes of any makeup: pencils and brushes. Add them to our arsenal of miniature cosmetics. I use toothpicks and straws to make them. I make a miniature mirror out of a piece of a safe mirror, which I stick on the fumarine and on the stand, and then decorate it. I make a miniature pendant out of a flexible tube and a decorative sticker. Here is a set of mini cosmetics ready. I add perfumes from a decorative bead and a flower to it. See how realistic the miniatures look? You can create the same. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video. See you again in the next video.